Good afternoon. It's January the 27th, 2017. Time to wrap up our trading for today. Pretty quiet markets around the board. We didn't see a lot of volatility. We didn't see a lot of big movements. It's become a phenomenon. You got to be long or short off the opening, guess the market's right to have the trade, and this was the trade of the day. We wanted to get long in the 16 to 20 area. We wanted to sell 3s to 7. The 3 to 7 gave us a trade out of this area. The 12 to 6. The 16 to 20 gave us two trades out of this area. So we caught the edges of the markets pretty well. Our final sell was at 11 to 15, and we came up there at the end of the day, but it didn't do us very much good. You can just see how the volatility just really did dry up. Didn't have a lot of volume today. Option expiration day is the explanation. First trade was a retest failure right here off the lows. Good for 9 if you traded it perfectly. This buy, 15 if you traded it perfectly. That monkey trade, a retest failure here, good for 2 to 4 if you traded it perfectly. Another retest failure trade, good for 2 to 4 if you traded it perfectly. The retest failure is the trade of choice. Another retest failure trade here, good for 2. 3 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure off the low was good for 2. Could have gotten 3 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure off the top was good for 4. This S would have been good for a couple if you traded it perfectly. This monkey trade was a scratch. This retest failure. 7 attempts to break it. They couldn't do it. Good for 4. Last trade of the day is a monkey trade. Good for 4. 9 trades possible. 32 ticks were there for you pretty easily. No losers. That's unusual. We expect 1 to 2 losers. $1,000. So we've had bigger days in the bond, like every day this week until today. We're going to offer new visitors 5 free days in the main trading room. We trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. In those 5 free days, you'll get to see me, the software and methodology, work live, real time. You get all the questions you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.